Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required for checking for the updates. And simply for checking, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. It's completely up to you. However, if you'll decide to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi so you can avoid some additional charges because the files which are connected with the update are quite large. All right, so we've got the internet connection. Now we can open the settings. And here in this list, we have to scroll all the way down to find System Update. And now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.